Hello, people of the world. It's it's been a while. I'll say that for sure. It's been a while for sure, and that is completely my bad. I don't even know how my sound is right now. But anyways, I'ma just assume that's good. I'm just assume that. But yes, it's been a while. I don't know. I've just see. I'm wondering. You probably aren't wondering though. But I might just assume that you are wondering to make myself feel good, man. But I've been gone for a month. You might be wondering, Yoshi, coding Yoshi, as my name is right now. I might have to change it to learning Yoshi soon, but we'll see. The adventure, whatever I call this, the coding adventure may be coming to an end, boys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna continue coding. You know what? Maybe I'll do some fun projects on the side. You know what? I don't know what projects I'll be doing though, man. Maybe some Python stuff, because this stuff is actually easy. Well, actually, C#, I'm gonna be honest. That stuff is pretty simple. It's just the fact that I never got too deep into it, because it's like I was trying to get myself into that. But man, after that scaffolding on C#, I just got so discouraged. Like, what's even the point? Like, after that scaffold, it's like, what's even the point after this, man? Like, they gave me an identity. They gave me a scaffold. All I had to do was just design. And it's like, I don't like the design part. So it's like, dang, this kind of, wow. I'm done already. I made a whole site with a few button presses, and it's like, okay, dang. I mean, I never liked web development, I'm gonna be honest, in the first place. Kind of sucks that I started off with JavaScript. Honestly, if I started off with Python initially, I would still be coding. But this is the thing, boys. See, first off, I try to go into math, I'll do some study ahead in calculus, and I realized, yeah, I'm gonna study that later in school, So then I was gonna go do proofs, and I was like, I really don't want to do this. Like, I did it, then I came upon this proof that I had to prove. I was like, wait a minute. They said it was impossible, but I have to prove it. Anyways, I just didn't want to do that. But actually, there's another reason. It's like, I'm doing electrical engineering, right? And it's like, I could study proofs, or I could pre-study electrical engineering. See, there's a problem with that. I'm going to learn that in school later, right? Just like the math. But, electrical engineering, I believe, is pretty broad. So I want to get a start on it. Make college life easier for me too, Because, I'm getting my butt kicked as of now. It took me like an hour just to understand voltage. Like, voltage, man. Voltage, I don't even understand it completely still, man. I'm still trying to figure it out. But I have a good understanding of what it is, I think. Well, let me show you the site that I'm using. All about circuits. See, 7 chapters. It's actually a good one. They got some video and lectures. I don't do that. I do the textbook. The textbook. But look at all these chapters, man. About 7 volumes. 6 technically. 4. There's 6 theoretically, but these are references and experiments. But 4 volumes pretty much. 17 chapters in this one. Right now, I'm on the 7th chapter, believe it or not. Studying bee. I'm a study man. I'm a studying figure. Yeah, I just watched Lord of the Rings. The Fellowship of the Ring. I've never watched it before. I've only watched the end, man. But, watching I didn't watch the whole end either. I just seen the last fight, because, I just see it on TV randomly. Because, we just spam the movie. See that? Whoa, we'll click that, I guess. Nothing else. We got cable. We ain't got no Netflix. Anyways, man. But we do have Prime Video, though. Starting to use it now, because we never used it. I don't even know if we even thought we had. No, we did know that we had. We just never used it, because we had the TV. The TV brings that randomness to it. Anyways. Watching Fellowship. Wow, that movie. Movie was a movie, for sure. Yeah, I'm trying to get into it, even though I know the ending. Apparently, Gandalf died. I actually have no idea. I completely forgot. But you know, I forgot somebody else died. Rip to that man. King. Anyways, well, yes, electrical engineering, you know. But yes, I'm a finish this textbook. I mean, from what I see, it only goes over the basics. 17 chapters of basics. Let me show you what the chat. And yes, experiments too. Hopefully, the experiments will be interesting. Obviously, I believe they will be. Anyways, but then I'm gonna specialize. Honestly, from what I see, it's gonna be what, exploration or something. Exploration. That is what I think. But obviously, my thoughts will change. I don't even know what electromagnetism is, man. And let me show you the chapters. You know, they got some parts to them. They're the long parts too, man. I mean, like, dang. How many? I did. I think I've done an hour and 40 minutes of studying today. Obviously, that's not that much on a weekend. On a free day. On a free day, I've had some hour and 16 minutes. That's like nothing. That's nothing. But I got through 2 chapters. I'm trying to do 2 chapters a day. That's the plan. So you know, I'm on you know, this just to show you. Oh wow, this chapter's short. Oh my goodness. Oh my. You know, I mean that was actually pretty short too. Yeah, this chapter's pretty short, honestly. Just hopefully the information isn't too hard to swallow down. But yeah, this is a short chapter, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'll do that tomorrow. But I keep getting sidetracked. Where was I, man? Anyways, but yeah, this is what I've been doing. You know, I've been on a journey. C#, you know, Python. I don't even know if I did show y'all a Python video, right? I don't know if I coded Python with y'all yet. I know I've done it in the past, but after C#, I don't know. But you know, I mean, if I have a go-to language, it's Python now. It's just straight up Python. I have been coding though. I'm first year robotics team. I'm kind of goated, but the software we use is so stupid. It's just so hard to use, man. We had to use Android Studio. Man, for some reason, we had 2 computers running it. You see, there's a 2-man robotics and software, whatever, in robotics. Man, you know. Man, I mean, it's a senior and a freshman. Now it's both our first years. See, I know how to code though. All right, I know how to code, right? I think I'll know. I think I know how to code. You know, not the best, but at least I know. I know what to code, man. See, the other kid, he's taking what, AP Computer Science Principles, which in my opinion is such a useless class, man. Such a useless class. Just learn Python at Code Academy, man. No sponsorship. I wouldn't mind one. You know, even $10, I would be happy. But I don't know how they work. Anyways, man, that man just keeps on looking towards me for leadership. I guess I'm the leader, right? I mean, I've been taking initiative on most of the things so far, man. You know, it makes me proud. But you know, I'm just, you know, sometimes it's like, I'm just trying to figure things out too, because you know, I don't really know. You know, it took us a while just to get the phones on, but it's cause it's a bit of a rant. I'm sorry, but this man needs to go on his own journey. His own journey of doing stuff. Because you know, we have 2 computers. That means 2 different computers to code stuff on. But it's usually me doing the code. Which I mean, I guess I have to show him, right? But I mean, both of the code is like, it's basic. It's like the functions that they're given. First Tech challenge, whatever. They give us these functions that we have to use for the robot, right? I don't know the functions. He doesn't know the functions. So I mean, basically, we're on the same level. But for some reason, I'm doing the coding. But anyways, he's gonna get better throughout the year, right? I mean, we've only figured out how to run the motor and do color sensor stuff, you know? I don't even know if we're gonna use the color sensor, or we're just getting used to the controls, right? We even got a controller on, you know? We got it on that baby. And, anyways, I kind of sound cocky with that, but, you know, it's my first time taking initiative, you know what I mean? Well, I've done it before, you know. But an actual long-term project, this is my first long-term project, matter of fact. So, you know, this is my first time working with people on a long-term project. So, you know, I guess it's a new feeling. But, boys, that's, and girls, of course. That's where I've been. Matter of fact, I do go to an all. Well, y'all didn't need that. Okay. Anyways, yeah, if there are girls though, I'm just saying, hello, hello, and boys, of course, hello, and others. If that is not mean, hopefully that does not mean hello, of course, hello. And I guess we'll get on to the coding part of the day, right? The coding part. So let me show you boys what I have. Okay. You guys might not understand this because I already started it. I never recorded the other part. I'm so sorry. Anyways, let me just show you what this code does. Okay, let me clear. Let me clear. Command C. Is that how you okay. Command down? Oh! Now, so we're gonna do stats project because this is a project for my stats class. And what we have to do is get some data and make a prediction about it or whatever. I completely forgot. I guess I can show you guys, right? Let me see this. Let me put on my screen because you know it's sensitive data, boys. Sensitive data, right? Anyways, hold on, boys. I'm sorry. But let me just pull up a picture of my code just for you guys to look at. Oh my goodness. So if I believe I'm correct, oh shit. Where is it? Okay. Oh yeah. Whatever. Open this. I don't have Word on this computer. See, look. So we have to. I'm in the group. You know, couldn't. So. We have to. I didn't. Okay, so we're gonna make an experiment study. Choose a topic question that we will investigate. Okay. So experiment. So we have to identify confounding variables, of course, and then we have to make a report on that on the data we observed. Data distribution. See, this is what we're doing today. We're making a chart for data distribution, and we're probably gonna find some statistic problems. You know, I don't really know. I'm gonna be honest. This class has got me. See, the class, honestly, boys, it's not that confusing. It's not that confusing, I think. But it's actually decently confusing. You know, maybe if we did worksheets in class, I'm gonna be honest. This man just plays AP videos every single day, man. No disrespect to him. He's actually a great guy. But well, if we did worksheets, then that would be more work. So honestly, it's like a But you know, I'm doing well in the class. You know, the class is not that confusing. It's just that I'm starting to pay attention. Anyways, so what we're doing now, so we're going to make a distribution of my data. Then we have to present it in a graph. So that's why we're going to be plotting. Now let me show you. Let me show you what my actual. Oh my gosh. Let me show you what my actual what our stuff looks like. Let me see this. Stats project. Okay, no. Okay, where could it be? Stats project 2 planning. God, let me just delete these names real quick. Alright. Oh my face is on there. Like, and I'll just read it. To you, man. So our question is, does music affect? Yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys, man. This is too much work for me. Yes, I can do this. Oh wow, it's reflexive. So it is. Does music affect GPA? Okay, that's my school. What is your grade? That's gonna be our questions. What is your average GPA? And what is the list? What is the list of music you listen to? Pick 2 at most. Anyways, that one's kind of weird. We probably should just 1. You know, it would have made it better. Anyways. Then the ACT. See, the thing about GPA, I think our grades are inflated at my school. So almost everyone has an A. So it's kind of weird. So some confounding variables, you know, just some variables that could alter the thing. And they are the grades that the students are in, the classes the students are in, because you can take APs or you can take honors or regular, and that will mess up your GPA, right? and the outside life of the student, like sports, they will affect your grades. So I don't even know what a block is. I'm gonna be honest. I think our blocks will actually be classes. Separate the subjects into blocks. Yeah, 4 different classes. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, boys. Okay. So that's the bulk of the experiment. I'm just gonna get through the context so you guys actually understand what the purpose of why did I do that? What the purpose of purpose of everything here is. So anyways, that was a 15-minute talk. Okay, that's better. Anyways, let me show you the data though, yo. This is how do I alright, how do I open it? Can I not open it? Of course. Let's open Excel. Apparently I do have Excel. Okay. Or not. Okay then. Now where did it go? Well, I think I got emailed it, actually. Ah! Sorry, boys. This is so unorganized. So, let me go to Gmail. Okay. Anyways, boys, you know, while I'm just looking, the tech world, bro, be crazy. It'd be crazy out there, man. But, it do be crazy. Anyways, here it is. Look at this data. Look at this data. So as you can see, choose 2 or you can choose 1. Take the average grade. Take the grade. See, this is how we're gonna average everything, right? Then the ACT. Then some people haven't taken it, and they're usually a freshman, right? So by freshman and sophomore, you're just gonna have to go with the grade, and some people are actually very honest, and I think that actually might be me. I think no, well, I'm not a anyways. I think I did click some random ones though, just to supplement our data. Anyways, I know we did Fortnite as one, you know, just to troll around the teacher. See, this is actually a joke though. This is actually a joke. Look at this. Fortnite Lofi. See, this is self-reporting bias. That's our bias. We have biases. But see, some people actually took it seriously. But yes, boys, hopefully y'all can learn something from this. So, most of our data will probably be from the ACT though. Because the ACTs are definitely more honest. They're easier to average and easier for students to remember because most people take pride in their ACT. So, let me explain let me just run it so you guys can see. So it takes from that stats project using pandas. And it runs through the data. Ah, there we go. Kind of slow. What the heck? That is kind of slow. Anyway, so all it does is just separate every. Yeah, where is it at? What happened? It's kind of weird. Oh, because it went into the. Did I run this or what? I don't even know. I guess I ran this one. So weird. Anyways, so it just separates everything to classes. Total amount of how much we actually had, right? I think Google actually gives the data, but they do not give this. So, anyway, so cultural. What is this for freshmen? Only 1 person listens to EDM, by the way. I forgot how many people, but see, information for sophomores, you know, classical. 26, 29, 26, 29, average grade though. See, if we're gonna average the grade for each one, we're gonna have to convert all of these to what, 95, I think? Should be 95. This will be 85, I believe. 95, 85. So, yeah. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I think. I actually haven't. So, well, what I want to do first, though, is just at the bottom, show a representative of what I want to see, actually. So I want to average all the grades. Mm-hmm. So I want to make a plot. I don't know. Let me just show you the group. Let me just show you the code. So obviously, I have these classes to store all the seniors. That's how I got all of this, right? Senior peoples, junior people, sophomore people. It's got the grade levels, just to easier reference them. I feel like that was stupid. I think I can make an enum. Now let's see sharp. I don't know, man. Huh. I forgot why I did this. Anyways, then I got all the music here. Oh yeah, to loop through them. That's why. I wanted to loop through everything, right? So anyways, for all class and classes, stored all columns. This is just setting up the data. Then getting all the data up, the grade you in, grade, yeah. Then so if it was 2, if they answered 2, that means there would be a comma in there. So you just split it and you get it right. Now you see, this is where I get the average grade. Okay, okay. I see. So I can actually change this to what 95 if I need to. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay. Yeah, actually. So I can do numerical grade. Okay. So what does this do? Average grade. Okay. So it's just a. Okay. So it's going to be setting up a person in different. So imagine they're a senior who did jazz and lofi. So it'd be set up in the jazz. Yeah, it'd be set up in the jazz. I just made the arrays weird. That's why you might not understand this cryptic stuff, man. But anyways, it just sets up them such a weird way. I did this in such a weird way. Anyways, it just sets up everyone in the class, man. If they did jazz or lofi, at first it would do jazz. Average grade would be the student's average grade, and their ACT would be the student's ACT. Then the lofi, they would set it up also in the lofi section, right, of that class. So that person would be in 2 sets of the data. So this indie person could also be this indie person, right? Yeah. Then if it's only one, they only set it up once. And of course the music count also gets plus. So then we display for information for each class. Oh wow, this code is short. Okay. So what I want to do first, right, is in the classes down here. I want to do the average grade. So I want to do the average grade for each class, and I want to do it in total. Average ACT for each class, then want to do it in total. That is completely doable. All right. See, boys. Look good. All right. So what I want to do first, okay. Let's define a new function. So def check grade. I don't even know how to make a function. But let's just see. Give. Oh, get AVG grade. How do you even do? What's the naming convention? I don't even know. Get AVG grade and ACT. I think that is the naming convention. And I want to do what? Student. If I am right. All right. So they're gonna give me the average grade of excellent. So classes. I actually don't even know. how I would do this. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna do student count. I think so. I'm at a number in array because all these columns are interconnected. So I just did an X. All right. All right. Oh wow, this is actually pretty confusing. Nice. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. Actually, can I just get average grade? Grade. I think it's gonna be a string. If 90 in grade, so we're gonna check if it has the word 90, because if you remember, it was like 90 to 95, yeah, 90 100. So if 90's in there, so we don't have switch statements. Like turn 95. No, is that allowed? I hope it's allowed. Anyways, elif. I think it's 80. 80 in grade. Turn 85. I think that's the average. I don't know. Then I think it's 75. I have no idea. 70 to 79. I think it's else after this. Let me just do else. We don't have a D. What's our D? Do we not have a D? Oh my goodness. We don't have any D's. Does no one have a D average at my school? At least out of this sample size. See, they check the emails. That means they probably are on top of things. But how do we not have 1D? I know that's a lie. I know that's a lie. Do we not have 1D? I would have liked this to be inclusive. We actually don't have any D's? I know that's a lie. I saw a D, did I not? Let's see, 6. Okay, D. D. Wow, we actually don't have a D? Wow, that's crazy, actually. Okay, then. Alright. Anyway, it's 70 in grade. Turn 75. Else. Turn 65. Okay, that's if we fail. Then we're gonna do, let's do the same for def, get, avg, act, act. Okay. So this is actually gonna be a pain. So I actually don't know all the things he did. So let me. There's actually a form, Google form, that we did this on. I don't know ACTs, so let us check. Right. Oh shoot. Okay. I think I spelled his name wrong. Right. Oops. Think. Give me a second. Nice. Do I not have the form? I don't have the form. Anyway, I don't get the form. I know he gave me the form. Ah, I do have it. Ay, that's what you about. So, wow, that's a lot. All right. Okay, so let's do this. All right. So if okay, 33 in ACT turn what? What is that? 30. What is that? That is 33 plus 30 is 69. Okay. Divided by 2. What is that? 34.5. All right. So 30. T. We left 32. In T. Turn 31. Like 1/3. Just for clear purpose. So we'll left 26 in ACT. Turn. What is that? I really okay. 55. What is that? 27.5. Elib 23 in ACT. See, sometimes they are reason. You know, they're integers, but the other times they're not. So 19. What is this? 21.5. That is the pattern. 20.5. Okay, so ACT and 20.5. I assume. What am I doing? 19. So that was 41. Yeah. Okay. So see that why isn't this one equal? In ACT. Is it? No, it's not. So it's 33.33. So that is 16.5. So it's just plus 1.5, 1. Yeah. So we live. Wow, why are they not equal anymore? 10, 12.5. So we live. Wow, 1 through 6. Oh my goodness. Oh. And it's you live 1. I should do. Okay, let's just do 1. I think it's top till down, so 7, 3.5. Else turns your knock. So we're gonna do what? What are we even gonna do here? So we're gonna do. So we're just gonna do. So we're gonna do an underline average grade. Is that allowed? I hope it's allowed. Then we're gonna do get average. Oh shit. Get average grade of X. All right. I think this works. ACT. Get average ACT of X. I think this works. So now I just do boom, boom, boom. So now everything has the stuff. All right. I think that works. Okay. So now let us I don't want to do this, bro. This stuff takes I should actually just put this all in a class, you know. I shouldn't put it all in main. Kind of annoying to do that. If I put it into functions that prints everything out, that would just make this, it would make my life so easy. Like I can put this, put for level and grade level, yeah, I can put that in a different thing, honestly. I might just do that. Cause all this printing, man, is just so annoying. And everything has what, a global scope, so let me just do this then. Divine print print class. So I think I can just do this. And this. Okay. Right. Yo, these this I hate the spaces, but I wouldn't mind brackets. But I guess not having brackets is actually these. It's kind of nice, honestly. Kind of nice. Anyways. Um. So what happened? That's a lot of stuff. Were you in a for loop? Did you have an X? Where's your eye? Why do you have dang spaces, bro? Okay. Yeah, let's just make sure this works. Else. Good point out. Good point out. So thank you. It does work. All right. Now let's just make sure that I can print class info. Let's make sure this works. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Classical. Okay. Apparently, why is the printing different now? So classical's in the middle, of course. What is this? Wow, all my spacing's messed up. The heck is this? Holy crap. Ay, ay, ay. What a pain. Why is my spacing messed up? Alright. I remember this. Actually, let me just copy and paste it first. Oh, I didn't copy and paste it right. I think that's so these are all on the same line. Let me just, in case, print class info. Ah, yes, of course. So does it work? It does work. Okay, so I can do this now. Alright! Let's get it! So yeah, that works. Okay, like this, then let us push this. How do I push it again? Source control. Commit. Okay. So I forgot how this works. Commit editing messages. So where do I put my do I put it here? Oh yes. Added method to return average grade and ACT form. form grade. Other words, I converted all submitted ACT scores and GPAs into numerical forms so that I may average them. So how do I commit? Hi boys, I completely forgot how to commit this. Oh my gosh, what have I done? What have I done? Oh. Sync changes. Pull and push. I don't know what that does. Anyways, seems like it worked. Okay. Yeah. Let's get off that scary thing. Alright, so let us do that. So let's get define print whole print of alright, I can add the class okay. Print all class. So this is already defined. I don't think I'm gonna get anything. Alright. So we're just gonna do pass for now. Alright. So I don't wanna so let's see this. So I think everything has so I'm gonna have to lead through each and every class. Now I don't know what this count is. Count. Oh yeah, because if you let me just show you guys. Classes level music. So classes, what is level? Like, what the heck is level? Level and grade. Okay, classes, grade level, and the music, and then there's a count. Student I, average grade. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. That does make sense. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna have to. So how am I gonna do? So this is actually So I can just copy and paste this. This is so I copy and paste that. Then I'm gonna have to print. Oh, I'm doing the exact same thing. What the heck? Actually, I'm not. So that's how you get raw data. Let me show you guys. Actually, PS. Look at this. Print. All class info. See it. So okay, from here. That. Boom. So this is what I get. Oh my gosh. So they count. So this is the first student. You know, average grade ACT. Then I got the actually stuff. Then count 4. What the heck am I looking at? Oh yeah, because student. This is student 1. He's gonna be the 4th count in jazz. Okay, I think. Then we got average grade 2. Oh, so this is classical. So this is the classical unit right here. Only 1 student count. Then we got jazz. There's 4 people in jazz. That is student 1. Oh yeah, that's student 1. Student 2 right here is index of 1. Student 3, then student 4. Then we go to rap. 11 people. Listen to a lot of people listen to rap, man. I mean, I'm telling you. So yeah, that's how that works. So we're gonna look at the count. So we're gonna go through each student. So I'm gonna do their classes, the levels, seniors. That's how we got here. And then we're gonna look at through the music. So that's this. Because we're gonna go through the music here, right? So classical, boom, music and music. So we're gonna do each music. And then we're gonna add them all up. Oh shit. So we're gonna add them all up at the count. So we're gonna do count. How is your count? That is crazy. Oh no. So we're gonna do count. So let me just for I in range of count. Oh yeah, I see. So it's gonna be this one it's just gonna be 0, right? This one's gonna be 0 to 3. Yeah, okay. How would I access it? Student of I. Classes level. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I have to go to music of I. Oh, because their names is actually the count. Okay, I see. Okay. So how do I average it all up though? I know how. So I'm gonna do sum equals 0. Okay, I'm gonna do GPA sum equals GPA sum equals 0. ACT sum equals 0. And actually, I think these go outside. So should I do it by? Yeah, I guess I just do it like right. So musics. So for each music, the GPA sum and ACT sum are gonna get offset. So we're gonna go through each count. So go through each, and then so we're gonna copy and paste this. Oh, watch this. GPA. I don't know if they actually have plus equals. Do they have plus equals? I hope they do. Then underscore. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. I think it's called AVG ACT. Yeah. Then we're gonna do print. See, I don't know how to actually go to 3 decimal places. How to print, how to division goes to 3 decimal Python. So we're gonna do nice. I really don't want to do that. So what is that? 72 divided by 7. Round. Important decimal. Port decimal as decimal, I think. So I just have to use the round function. Where was I? I think I was right here. So I'm gonna print GPA. So what is this? So Average GPA. What is this gonna be? It's gonna be GPA sum divided by what? So I think we're gonna do count. For some reason this is wrong. I don't think it's wrong. Missing close. Then we're gonna do a round. Is that a thing? Dang it! So I do this. So we're gonna do the 3. Let's just make sure this works, right? See. So it doesn't work. Oh shoot, it actually is there that many musics? How many musics is this? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is way too many musics. What the heck? For I and range classes. Of course, let me do this real quick. Oh, it does do it for each student. What? I don't think it should. For music, I should only be once actually. It is only once. Oh. Alright, now let me see this. GPA sum. I did GPA sum twice. T sum. T sum. So yeah, like this. This information for seniors. You know, actually, I can put this all in here. I could actually. Yeah. So now I have to divide it by the count. How do I divide this by the count? So let's see this. Print. So yeah, it's wrong. Why is it wrong? So that's right. 0, 5 people. So I divide it by 5. In theory, it should work. So divided by. Am I doing it wrong? See, no, it's wrong. So let's do this. X equals GPA, so by this. So it's wrong in here. So it's missing closed braces. Unterminated. Okay. Anyway, I don't need to deal with that, bro. Round X 2 spaces, please. Then we'll just do Y. ACT, so. Round Y to 2 spaces, please. I. Ah. So. I could do a try. I actually never. I don't think I've ever done it. Equal to 0. Continue. So I wanna go to the next music. There's no one that did it. Continue. Should be right, yeah. So my average grade, average GPA. What's the time? Why is my ACT so low? Ah. Yeah, my ACT is wrong. X. That's. Boom, baby. 8.1, 12. Wow. Holy Fortnite, dude. 12. Wow. 13. Are these right? 24, 25, 27, 31. Oh my. Alternative. Okay. Statistics lie. Okay. 32 in pop, 30 in rap, 31 in jazz, 31 in class. That's all senior though. It gets lower. Ah. I might have to print. I am not trying to do. Ah. Ah. I might have to make an object to store everything so it's just easier for me down the road. Easier to read too. Man, I didn't mean to spend this long on this subject. But that's my bad. It shouldn't even take me this long to do, you know? I've been doing one function this whole time. Sorry it took me so long. You know, I didn't even complete it really. Didn't even do all classes. But it's, you know, pretty late for me. It's actually 12. My clock was wrong. Anyways, you know, that's lifting me up in the background. Be around Wakanda forever. I'm just saying. Anyways, man. I think I'll be heading to sleep. 1 hour of coding is what I'll be saying. Okay. In my time log. I think it was a productive day for me. I guess it doesn't matter to you guys, but it's been a while since I made a video. But I guess the adventure continues. I'll always be coding. I'm gonna need coding for electrical engineering, of course, but is what it is, man. Is what it is, man. So I guess I'll be piecing out the scene, boys. Peace. Well, at least I hope y'all do understand this code. Hope y'all do. Peace.